Hello watchers. Thank you for choosing our UK weather forecast channel on YouTube. Before start weather for the week ahead forecast, we are going to present a brief forecast summary based on the Met Office Bulletin. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. This is the headline for 5-day weather forecast. Further wet and windy weather for many. This evening and tonight. Rain moving eastwards across Northern Ireland, Wales, and England, heavy at times with a risk of flooding in the west. Windy in the south with coastal gales. Showers across Scotland dying out, leaving clearing skies and a patchy frost. Thursday. Further rain moving eastwards, heavy in places. Turning brighter from the west, but with blustery showers, frequent and heavy in the northwest where gales or severe gales are likely. Outlook for Friday to Sunday. Remaining unsettled with further spells of rain and strong winds. Mostly mild at first, but turning somewhat colder through the weekend. A long-range weather forecast, from Monday the 16th of January to Wednesday the 25th of January. Much of this period is likely to be rather unsettled. On Monday, with cold air in place, showers are likely to be wintry across the north, even to low levels, with some wintriness in showers further south too. But equally there will be some sunny spells. For the following few days, the most likely scenario is one of generally colder conditions, compared to recently, to dominate. With potential for brief incursions of milder air tide with Atlantic frontal systems. This means further wet weather is likely, especially in the west, with perhaps a greater incidence of snow compared to what we've seen so far in January. Strong winds or gales are also possible at times. Now, let's watch UK weather for the week ahead. Latest updates presented by Stav Danos. Hope you enjoy.
Hello there. It's been a very wet start to January 2023. In fact, some areas have seen their month's worth of rainfall already within the first 10 days, and there is more rain to come. So no surprise seeing scenes like this. That's the River Severn in Shropshire. This is the River Ouse in York, running at very high levels. With more rain to come, we have concerns for further flood warnings, of course, particularly across England. There's the floodline number if you have any concerns where you live. So stay tuned to the forecast. Here's Thursday's pressure charts. We've got this front in the south bringing wet and windy weather. New area of low pressure sweeping into the north of the UK. That's going to bring increasing showers or longer spells of rain and strong winds to Northern Ireland. Western Scotland could see severe gales in Northern Ireland for a time. And it stays windy across southern Britain and gales through the Channel there. But in between, a slice of perhaps something a bit brighter through Wales, the Midlands, perhaps northern England as well. Mild in the south, 11 to 13 degrees. Cooler further north. That area of low pressure sweeps across the north of the UK into the North Sea during Thursday night, takes the gales away from the north of the UK. So the winds slowly easing down through Friday, and a ridge of high pressure will be building in from the west. That should kill off a lot of the showers. There'll still be a few around, but far fewer than the previous day. And we should see more sunshine around across southern and western areas. Double figure values again in the south, cooler further north. That ridge doesn't last long. Into Saturday, new area of low pressure will bring a spell of very unsettled weather, some really wet weather in fact during the course of Saturday morning. That persistent heavy rain clears out into the North Sea into the afternoon. Then it's brighter with sunshine and blustery showers, and these will be wintry certainly across the hills in the north. Single figure values here. We're still up to 10 or 11 across the south. But as we move out of Saturday into Sunday, that all changes as the centre of the low pushes towards Scandinavia. We open the floodgates to a north or northwesterly wind, and those blue colours take charge. So it's turning cold across all areas on Sunday. Any showers clear away, and then there's plenty of wintry showers running into the north of the UK. Could see some snow down to lower levels as well, and some wintry showers a little bit further south across the UK. We're all into single figures there. As you can see, temperature-wise, add on the wind, it'll feel colder than that. And as we move into Monday, we're still in the northwesterly winds, further wintry showers affecting northern Scotland, Northern Ireland, perhaps North Wales as well. A few running into the Midlands, but there could be quite a bit of sunshine around in sheltered southern and eastern areas. We need to keep an eye on this area of rain, though, associated with an area of low pressure to the southwest, because if it's further northwards, it bumps in the cold air. We could see some significant snow from this. At the moment, it looks like most of it will stay towards the south of the UK, affecting Biscay and France, to bring some heavy snow to the Pyrenees and to the Alps. We're still in a run of northwesterly winds for a while into the following week, but then winds turn westerly again with low pressure systems feeding in more rain. So we'll be on the border of the temperature of the air mass there. Colder air initially through Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and then from around Wednesday, we could start to see something a little bit milder towards the southern half of the UK. But the cold air is never too far away, so I think it's going to be quite a wintry theme across Scotland. So as we move out of the weekend into the following week, we swap the rain and flooding warnings for snow and ice warnings. So a different hazard as we move into the following week, more akin to winter in fact. But you can see those temperatures perhaps recovering a little bit towards the end of next week, so stay tuned.